Good morning. I hope you all are doing good. I have no idea why I just said it like that. I was trying to do a good morning. Anyway, I had the Plant My Movie video pre-recorded, but when I was trying to film, both times my phone decided to, cut me off it. I think it was trying to tell me I was talking too much, but anyway, so I figured since I can't get that video up, I will get that video up. Well, let me see if I can try to get another video up. That layout that I was working on, I was almost done with it. But if I got enough for video, maybe I will try to get that up tomorrow. But most likely I won't be able to. I don't know if that makes sense. Well, let me see what I can do. Right now I'm trying to wake up. I've got to be at work in 2 hours, and I'm not awake yet. Well, I wanted to give you guys a video to watch today. So I just figured I'd just go ahead and film my on-the-go watercolor painting kit. I put this together and I really like it. I do plan on eventually getting a little watercolor journal that's got, the strap on it. I have a Strathmore one that's a landscaping one that I love, but that's just too big to be carrying around. And I did decide when I was putting this kit together that if I am carrying this in my purse, I have to take my traveler's notebook out because carrying both of them in my bag is just way too heavy and way too hard on my back. So, I hope you all enjoy this. So, this is just a normal makeup bag. This came in a Bath & Body Works set. The first thing you see here is this pin case that I got a long time ago at Staples, and I've got in here, I put some brushes in here. I found this brush that I've forgotten about that I love to use in watercolor to help me get the color on there more. And I've got some smaller brushes in there too, maybe a couple of makeup brushes in there. I have a pen to write with. I have this watercolor brush that came with a watercolor set that I'm just going to keep here at the house. So put that in there just a minute. I have all 4 micron pens. I will take those out and put them in my on-the-go Bible journaling bag. I have this pencil that I got at Walmart. It's the one where you pull the lid out and you put it in there. I figured that would be good. And then I've got a normal number 2 pencil in there, so that would be good. Make sure I don't damage any of my other brushes. So, okay, so I have that in there. Have the high polymer eraser from Pentel. My husband just got me a pack of these. They're really cheap. They're like $1.67 for like 3 or 4 of them. I've already got one I started using, but I put that in my on-the-go Bible journaling bag. So far, I like them. I've got, and I am probably going to change my water well. I saw a gentleman had given me a great idea. He had put his water in a traveling shampoo and conditioner case, so I figured I might buy one today and then put that in there. And I've got just a little medicine cup to hold it, but I'm gonna see if I can get some magnets, because he had stuck magnets on whatever cups he had, and then he put it on his palette, and that way we can stick it on there. But yeah, I like this. This is an eyedropper, but I'm figuring I'm gonna go that route because that would be a little bit better. And then this is the Altoids 10 as you can tell. This has a gift card that I'm using for a straight edge. And then I have the binder clips to hold my pages. And then this is a Bare Minerals eyeshadow brush with 2 tips on it. I got this idea from another YouTuber. She did a lip brush the same way. And then speaking of lip brush, I found one of my e.l.f. ones in there. So I wanted to have different brushes accessible to me in case I wanted to use them. And I've got cotton swabs to clean up any messes with my watercoloring. So yeah, that's all that's in there. I cut another piece off that Christmas rag to put in there. A pencil sharpener from Fiskars I got a long time ago during the back to school time. And then I also have my Daleroni Aquafine paints. It's a travel kit. I love this kit, you guys know. I love how compact this is. And I've got most of the paints in there. Some of these are other paints from other kits. Like this one came from the other one, that bigger kit, because I don't have I like to use hot pink. But I've been using the mess out of this, and I love this. You know, this pulls out. And then underneath here, I've got also some paper towels underneath there. I just can't get to them. But yeah, I love this kit. The packaging is so awesome and so compact. I did take the brush out of there, as you can tell, because it wasn't fulfilling my needs. And then I have this little handmade traveler's notebook from a friend of mine. She slipped notebook paper in there for me to write down my prayers, but I took that out. And I'm using it to hold my 4x6 watercolor paper pad. And I love this. This is a great little travel size. I'm actually glad I got this. I started doing a sketch on something. And so, yeah, I really love this. It just holds, it's a perfect size for this. I did make another watercolor insert, but to put in this kit, but I've got to figure a way to attach it to the cardstock. But that's all that's in my kit. Hope you all enjoyed this. Let me know if y'all want to see more watercolor videos. I was thinking about throwing that into the mix with my videos. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a blessed day.